Do you want to know how to make beetroot brownies?
Beetroot and brownies? What?
Let's find out.
Break dark and milk, chocolate into a bowl.
Add butter. Heat over a bain-marie. While the chocolate and butter melt,
Break your eggs into a bowl of sugar. Whisk well.
spoon in sifted flour a little at a time and whisk.
Grate cooked beetroot. Stir the beetroot into the mixture.
Add the melted chocolate and butter.
Stir well.
Pour into a lined baking tray.
Smooth the mixture.
Bake in the oven.
Ask the adult to help.
Once cooked, allow the brownies to cool before cutting.
Cut into squares.
We like ours decorated with melted white chocolate.